13th sum. Find lambda when the projection of A vector is equal to lambda I plus j plus 4k vector on B 2i vector plus 6j vector plus 3k vector is 4 units. Here we want to find the value of lambda. The projection of A on B. We have the formula of the projection of A on B equal to A dot B divided by B vector. That is given is the answer is 4 units. So let me equate to 4 units here. We want to find this A dot B, isn't it? So from A and B we have to take these two and we have to do the dot product. The dot product is nothing but lambda into 2, that is 2 lambda, and here 1 into 6 here, and then 4 into 3. So 4 3s are here, and divided by we have to take the B vector. That in the formula itself we have, it's not A vector, this is B vector, modulus of B vector. Okay, so for B vector we can take that modulus value, that means magnitude, that is root of 2 square plus 6 square plus 3 square. So let me simplify this. 2 square is 4 and 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9. At the numerator we have 2 lambda plus 6 plus 12 equal to 4 here. Then we want to do the add everything, we can get root 49. Root 49 is 7 here. So at the numerator we have 2 lambda plus 18 divided by 7 equal to 4. Then cross multiply this, so that we got 2 lambda plus 18 equal to 28. 2 lambda equal to, take this 18 to the other side there. So 28 minus 18 is 10. Therefore we have the value as lambda equal to 5. 14th sum. 3 vectors A, B, C such that modulus of A vector is 2 and modulus of B vector is 3 and modulus of C vector is 4, and A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0 vector. Find 4A dot B plus 3B dot C plus 3C dot A. Here we want to find the value of the 4A dot B plus 3B dot C plus 3C dot A. And one more condition is given here itself, A plus B plus C equal to 0 vector. So here we want to take this A plus B plus C vector equal to 0. Take this C to the other side, so that it becomes A vector plus B vector equal to minus C vector. Then square on both the sides. So A vector plus B vector the whole square equal to, if you square this, the minus will be get plus, so C vector square. And then in the left hand side we have to write in the formula A plus B the whole square, that is A square term, this is B square term, and here it is 2AB term. So A square is nothing but modulus of A square, B square is modulus of B vector square, and 2AB term is 2 into A vector dot B vector equal to this C vector square. And then we have to substitute all the values, what are the things given. A vector is 2, so 4 here, B vector is 3, so 9 here, and this A dot B, keep this 2A dot B as it is, and C vector is 16, 4, so here it is 16, and take this 4 and 9 to the other side, it will become minus 4 minus 9, so the value will be 3 here. So 2 into A dot B equal to 3, A dot B equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, for the second one, keep B plus C here itself and take A to the other side, it will become minus A. Then squaring on both the sides. B vector plus C vector the whole square equal to minus A vector square. If you square this, you can get modulus of B vector plus modulus of C vector plus 2 into B vector dot C vector equal to A vector square. Then substitute the values here. It becomes 9, here 16, here 4, and here it is 2 into B dot C equal to 4 minus of 9 minus 16. So we have 2 into B dot C equal to minus 21. Therefore, B dot C equal to minus 21 by 2 here. Okay, and then next c plus a equal to minus b. Squaring on both the sides we have c vector plus a vector the whole square equal to b vector square. So again we have to expand by the formula a plus b the whole square. We get modulus of a vector square plus modulus of b vector square plus 2c dot a equal to b square. Here modulus of a square is 4 square, that is 16, and here 2 square is 4, and keep 2 into c vector dot a vector as it is equal to 9 here. Then take this 16 and 4 to the other side, it will become minus 16 minus 4, and then 2 into c vector dot a vector equal to minus 11, c vector dot a vector equal to minus 11 by 2. Now we got a dot b, b dot c and c dot a here. Okay, we want to find the value of 4 into a dot b plus 3 into b dot c plus 3 into c dot a. So let me substitute all the values here. So 4 into this 3 by 3 and 3 into this minus 21 by 2 and 3 into this minus 11 by 12 here. And then simplify this. So here it will become 12 by 2 and here it is 63 by 2 and here it is minus 33 by 2. Then simplify again. So we get minus 84 by 2. If we cancel we can get minus 42. So the value of this 4 into a dot b plus 3 into b dot c plus 3 into c dot a is minus 42.